that was a problem.
What the f are you doing?
It's just totally unacceptable.
What the f is wrong with you?
Finally eased across the main subject.
Absolutely. Oh God. Oh God. Am I getting sick again? Oh. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God.
Oh.
I want to censor Joe Rogan and censor the, again, credible and reputable people that he is having on his podcast. Why? Because they can't handle the cognitive dissonance that comes along with hearing real facts. I think that's exactly what it is. I don't think it's about misinformation.
On my side of the road.
I don't think it's about people's health and wellness. I think they can't stand who refuses to go along with the narrative. And Joe Rogan is somebody who's been open to having every
What the heck? Wait there, you idiot. Leave me alone.
No,
Look how close you are. Target
you
me.
beat me for no reason.
You pulled out in front of me.
I didn't pull out in front of you.
Just let's go to the police.
I didn't pull out in
Just let's
front
go
of
to the
you.
police.
I didn't pull out in front of you.
Yes, you did.
No,
And
I
look how
didn't.
close you are behind me.
I pulled up to see if I can get out. And you're beating me before I've even done anything.
Because you look like you're coming out in front of me.
What? But
You
I'm
look like-
going this way. I looked to see if I can go that way. No, I can't. So I've gone that way because there's a big lorry in front of me.
Right, then go back and
What?
reverse around me.
You stopped on purpose. for me
Well, I want to get your wedge. I want to get your wedge to the police.
When I haven't, you stopped on purpose for me to hit you. That's
No,
what you did. Yes, you did.
I think my coat on.
You stopped on purpose for me
Look,
to
this
hit
thing,
you.
mate.
You little...
Yeah,
What?
I'm going to the police. Mind out. And look where you're driving.
Hey, I pulled out of Asda. You beat me when I haven't even moved.
No,
I've
you
gone
were
this
moving
way.
out. You're moving out.
Mate,
Look.
to see if I can get up the road.
Well, have a good day. Off and leave me alone.
You off. You're the one who stopped purposely like this.
Because
so
you were
hit
tailgating me.
And you could claim against me when I haven't touched
Well, I
your
could
car.
have, couldn't I?
Get in your van and off.
Wow. Going to the police now.
¿Qué carajo lo que tú vas a hacer, maricón? Tú no estás pendiente, pendiente ya, maricón. Vale, que te voy a pintar todo. Maricón. Ven, maricón. Oye, dile al maricón este. Ven, maricón.